Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Rideau River Provincial Park hiking the Shoreline Trail.
All right, good morning guys. It is our last day here at Rideau River Provincial Park, and today we're gonna be doing some hiking. So there's only one trail here in Rideau River Provincial Park, and that is the Shoreline Trail. So let's go check it out.
The Shoreline Trail is apparently an easy walking trail. It's 2.7 kilometers and it goes directly all through the campsite along the shoreline, and it connects with the beaches, day use areas, the campgrounds, and we're gonna go check it out right now. We spent most of our morning this morning at the, maybe I'll wait. Always the most inopportune times for talking. Just a chainsaw in the background. All right, we spent most of our morning at the campsite this morning, having breakfast and coffee, and we were looking for birds and trying to get pictures. Now, I only got one picture, and it was of a little hairy woodpecker. He was cute as a button. It's still pretty early in the morning, so the mosquitoes are laying low in the grass, and we are the first ones to luckily disturb them all by the looks of it.
There are thousands of mosquitoes.
So the first section takes us right past our cabin where we're staying. And we've made it back here already. Probably took us like 5 minutes. There's our dock.
Spider webs and mosquitoes on this trail are so bad. It's unreal. Oh, there's a big spider web right there. All right. We just got power through this. We're hoping that the forested section is the worst part. Soon this trail will come out along the campgrounds where the actual campsites for tents and stuff are, and we're hoping the bugs aren't quite as bad there.
They honestly, this section is a lot better than the first section that we just did.
Definitely.
So I will happily take that.
Campsites?
Yeah.
Where's the trail go?
Right here? Yeah, over here. Can you imagine that being your campsite? Like who the fuck's, we couldn't even fit our tent on that.
That one's kind of small.
118, don't book it. Another thing about this trail, bikes are not permitted on the trail. No biking.
Been looking for turtles, but so far nothing.
On to the next section. I think it's going to be the campground. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. We saw a turtle, and then he was gone.
It was not quick enough to get him on the camera.
Yeah.
But we seen him.
And apparently my last disclosure was wrong. It is not the campgrounds that trail connected to. It was the beach. Where we started, and we've made it all the way over here. Not too shabby. All right, we are back in the woods. Chris thinks this is going to be as bad as our first section. Let's hope he's wrong.
don't know how well you guys can see the bugs on the camera, but as soon as you get away from the water, they're unrelenting. And if you even take a second to stop to try and take a shot or take a photo or do anything really, they just swarm you, like hundreds.
'Tis the time of the year.
We've made it to the end of the Shoreline Trail.
Okay.
Congrats.
Wow. Good job.
All right.
That was super quick. Time check.
Time check is
10:39.
so hour and a half.
Yeah.
And we stopped
We
a few
stopped
times.
to film and stuff
And we
like
stopped
that.
to watch the turtle. We stood
Yeah.
trying to look for a turtle for a few minutes.
Yeah.
I really wish we had gotten some video footage or a photo of the turtle, but at least we saw him. And we saw a woodpecker
Yeah.
and
We
some
seen-
giant ass birds. We don't know what they were.
Yeah, I wish man, they scared the life out of me. But I don't know.
So this trail is 2.5 kilometers one way. So now we are basically at the other end of the park than our campsite. So we do have to walk all the way back because of how many bugs are out.
We're definitely
not taking
walking
the
through
trail
the
back.
campground,
We're
yeah.
going to take the main road back. That'll take us past the registration office, past the warden's office, and right back to our campsite.
We won't
So-
bore you with that.
Man, these bugs. Well, that was cool. We just saw a fox.
Yeah. Oh, in broad daylight.
Yeah.
I can't believe nobody else knew. We've been had by about 3 or 4 fox. Sneaky little game players.
All right, we have made it back to the cabin. It is time for us to relax, have some lunch, and then just enjoy the afternoon. I think we're gonna get the long lens out and try and find some more wildlife.
I hope those fox come back out to play because, oh my gosh, I'm so upset right now. So mad.
Even though we didn't get very good footage or photos of the fox, it was super cool just to see the group of them running around. So the hike that we did today, the 2.5 kilometer Shoreline Trail, is the only trail that they have inside the actual Rideau River Provincial Park. But right on the other side of the river is a place called Ferguson Forest. And it has over 22 kilometers of trails, and it also has a golf course. So there is lots of stuff to do.
Yes.
If you like hiking, there is tons of hiking to do. If you like canoeing, definitely rent a canoe
Yes.
here, get out on the river. It's really easy paddling, and there's so much to see. And for such a small park, this park is so clean, and we have seen so much
Absolutely.
wildlife.
I would definitely, like I said before, I would come back here again. It's great.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
Well, thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.